Python. Today it is world's most usable programming and scripting language. So, are you excited to learn about the complete Python? Hi, my name is Akshay Pratap Singh. You can learn complete Python with data structures and algorithms with me, and what you can achieve at this program in this Rohar Academy. Whether we notice or not, this time Python is going to be used in every server and web applications as well as in scripting language, and it is more useful for as well as programming language. If I talk about a technological giant company like Google, Alexa, and some other website like Netflix, then Python algorithms is going to be most usable at this time. If we talk about a Python, then Python is going to be also used in a small applications to a big diversity applications. If I talk about our daily life, then from morning to evening, all the time we are using a Python applications like our smartphone, smartwatch, smart shoes, and these all applications are going to be at a base of a Python language. In this course, you will be learn from basic Python to advanced Python. In basic Python, you will learn about list, tuple, dictionary, and some object-oriented techniques. And in advanced Python, you will learn about the Python with data structures and algorithms. And you will also solve some live applications of advanced Python. So, if I talk about a today's scenario, then from product-based company to service-based company, like a product. If I talk about a product-based company like Amazon, Samsung, Panasonic, if I talk about a service-based company like Wipro, Infosys, they all need a Python developers. After completing this course, you will be able to place yourself in a big MNCs like a Google, Amazon, Samsung as a Python developers. As you know, this time these all MNCs are using automations and robotics, and Python is the base of this all technology which are trending at this time. Admissions are open, limited seats are available, and you can get a huge discount from Rohar Academy in this Python course. So what you are waiting for? Please come with us. We will shape and train you as according to the corporate requirements.